The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, me there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. This is it. Alright, so I want to send shout outs to Andre Campbell and Fred Gill. Yeah, wanna big up on yourself, is it? And I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Yeah, wanna big up on yourself, is it? Now, there's a video circulating on social media where it is said that the police within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago arrested persons within Port of Spain, Trinidad and Tobago, sometime within the month of April year 2021. The video shows police within a place that is known as Port of Spain, and the video shows persons who had been arrested by the police. Now, many comments have been made on social media about the video, and some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons did not like the way how the police carried out their duties. Some of the comments also gave me the understanding that some persons are just saying that the police are just doing their jobs. You see? Now, I'm going to put together and present to you, my viewers and subscribers, a few pieces of videos that are from that entire video that is out on social media, so that you can take a look at them and you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in those pieces of videos. You see me? Yeah, you can let me know if you agree or if you disagree with the way how the police carried out their duties, and I will also tell you what I think. Yeah, you see me? Now, in these pieces of videos, you're going to see many persons, you see me? And in these pieces of videos, you can also hear persons yelling and shouting, and you can also hear harsh languages in these pieces of videos, all right? So before I present these pieces of videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Oh, let's share the life, oh, let's share the life. Oh, let's pour that spin hot. You don't know what's going on. Police are very disrespectful. Well, Alex passed me and fell and police and I ran out of time, man. I don't know what that thing for you. Where is all that police? Police section? That woman? That was going on there? Nah, you tell me that she not get out of time, man.
Right? Because you all will be arrested and in the prison. Now there more than 5.
Let me move by myself, Let me go by myself and stand up, Look up the man just so. Chilling just right. I'll see that thing in tongue, boy. Look up the man just so, right? Look up the man just so, boy. Just so, boy. Just so look up the man, right? Oh, it's a time and thing, let's share the life, man. Just so look up the man. I'll feel that thing, boy. Locking up people just saying what I say, man.
You want to go in one of them police van or what?
What does that do?
Move for money. Move for money. Move for
They all go and lock up fucking. Real fucking sad, man. So you kind of feel that thing going on, locking up people just so, people passing and tasering people just so up, and let's share the light. Real out of time and thing out here, boy. The police are beating people just because they're talking, boy. Real feel that fucking thing, boy. Telling me, police are beating them because they're fucking taping too, boy. They want to watch what they're locking up people, watch.
Que no lo que They may do nothing about them beating people just so. Beating people just so, why? People taping and the beat and watching Gary for one and Gary for saying about that, boy. Beating people just so, though. people not taking. Watch me, boy, them don't know what to do, boy. Too much of fucking advantage of thing with them, boy.
And known as police, one by one. When they walk out, you come and there so, but the jacket there so they walk in. Them some of them same one.
What are they looking for? It's here to wish like fucking Jamaica.
Coming right down.
Oh yeah, you mad, boy.
Okay, don't get me wrong. Whatever job to do, do your job. You see where you come to advantage people?
Boy, that's what they're doing there, boy. Watch the man, I taping, the man walk up on me because I taping, you know. I real failure, boy. I tell him, man, so why you doing, boy?
You the feeling know you're right.
You telling me, I want them all to share the life and tell me why the fuck I can't tape in Trinidad and I get locked up because I taping. They beat up a man just so. A man passing him merry way to beat up the fucking man. Tase up the fucking man. The tase the man, boy. The man never do nothing, boy.
Watch that. I tell you though. Them at the time when they hand them one, they tell you that I know tell the man dog. Take your time, I know say no come in with a box of food and a bite. I said, dog, take your time when I go pay them, boy. Take your time. That's what I see going in the fucking.
Boy, the tase up people just so, boy.
All I know, one of these days, police will lash somebody, and everybody wrong that somebody go lash back. And then from there, you won't go start. And that's not one by one, that one no fucking vibrate. No, that way I'm doing it. One by one, that's not them. One by one. See when they uniform, they have duty, and they walk along the road like in the sun. That what they're doing. Just walk by if you're an attacker. Why if the bank just go by them first? With loans, vehicles, and all these things. Because they know these people need vehicles. They will buy.
Yeah. True.
These one men don't want to be walking around. Watch them. They'll get snatched one by one.
Yeah, I'll feel that thing, all right now in the streets of Port of Spain, a lot of injustice taking place here. The beating man, there's the hitting fucking man because you're talking. They're beating people because you're taping. They want to lock your beef because you're fucking taping in your rights. I feel ya, boy. That is failure, boy. A man talking for you right and then they're beating a man. A man passing him here, they grab a man and fucking tase a man. And they tell him they follow procedures of the law. Boy, people are gonna wake up in fucking Trinidad, boy. If police fucking advantage a man just so we have to advantage them back too, boy. We can't be fucking having police advantaging people out here, boy. And we taking that is on fucking fear, boy. Real talk. It's an out of timing thing, boy. A man tape because a man taping. Don't want to hit a boy. I feel ya, boy. Boy, I don't know what to say about fucking Trinidad, boy. I feel ya fucking thing, boy. People, see what I tell you, the unfairness. I taping and you was alive and let's see for your fucking self. Or let's see for your fucking self. I taping and the police walk up on me and tell me what to lock me up because I fucking taping. So who responsible for that real failure thing? A real fucking failure thing, dog. Real talk. Fight. I'm taking a set of advantage. Hey, the real chase of the man. The man was doing, all the man wanted to know what going on because he just get snatched just so. The fucking chase of the man.
And I choke.
Yeah, man.
But the man like, why you do nothing? Same thing with the man,
Real failure thing, boy. Real fucking mad, boy.
Yeah.
I real failure, boy. Let's see for yourself. While we talking on my life and the injustice going on, or let's see it live for their fucking self. Or let's see it live and these people who just criticize and say, oh, I talk a stand negative thing about fucking people. But what should they doing people? What should the police do so a police can walk up on a man and beat a man just so?
Alright, well, viewers and subscribers on a reel, I don't know what for really say about some of the things that have been shown and said in those pieces of videos, or the entire video as well, because I've seen the entire video. You see it? I don't have any confirmed information as to why those persons had been arrested by the police. You see me? And you know, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly when the entire video had been recorded. You understand? No, I don't have the information as to when the entire video had been recorded. I don't even have the confirmed information as to how many persons had been arrested that time by the police within Trinidad and Tobago, you see me? But you know, the video had me thinking. Yeah, I'm talking about the entire video that's out on social media. When I saw that video, I started to think, you see me? I'm wondering why the police arrested those persons, you see me? What's the cause? What's the reason, you see me? Because on our real viewers and subscribers, you know, I'm saying to myself, why would police just arrest persons randomly just like that, you know? So, you know, the video had me thinking, you know what I mean? Yeah, I mean, no, say you have good police, you have bad police, and you have good people, you have bad people, as how some persons might call it, you see me? I say, but you know, based on some of the things that I saw and heard in the video, it had me thinking, you see me? Even though I presented pieces of the video to you, you know, the entire video at the time when I saw it, it had me thinking, you see me? So, it's like I don't know what to really and truly say about some of the things shown and said in the video. Sometimes when I try to give a good advice, viewers and subscribers, you know, sometimes persons might look and say, Dancehall skilla, you sound like a coward, or you will allow police to walk over you and all these things, you see me? But you know, I'm just trying to give an advice that I think is the best, you see me? Because I'm not the kind of person who's going to be like, oh, you should do this and do that, and don't make that man do this or don't make that man do that, not because he might decide that. Sometimes we have to think before we act, you see me? Now, the things that I'm about to say, you know, not necessarily said persons had done the things that I'm about to say or talk about, you know, no. I'm just pointing out these things because sometimes it do happen, you see me? Now, you see, whenever you see a police officer doing his job, or whenever you see the police doing their duties or their jobs, stay out of their way, you see me? Allow them to do their job, you see me? Because you might find yourself in trouble with the law if you intervene whenever a police or police officers are doing their duties. You see me I say? See? Yeah, so I think that is a good advice, and I'm just letting you know. You can let me know what you think about that, viewers and subscribers. You can let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in those pieces of videos. You see? Alright, I don't have much information about the video, but for one thing I know for sure is that the entire video is being talked about on social media. So I presented to you a few pieces of videos that are from that entire video that's out on social media, so that you can take a look at them and you can let me know what you think. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm name Dancehall skilla. You see it? Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.